Want to uncover hidden gems for your next getaway? Imagine pristine beaches, crystal clear waters, and lush landscapes that are far from the usual tourist trails. These islands offer a unique escape, perfect for those looking to explore the unexplored. These 7 secret islands will blow your mind. Let's get started. First up, Kauai, Hawaii. Known for its breathtaking scenery and serene environment, Kauai is a paradise for nature lovers. Known as the Garden Isle, Kauai boasts lush forests and dramatic cliffs. The island is a haven for hikers and adventurers, offering numerous trails that lead to stunning vistas and hidden waterfalls. Far from the hustle of Honolulu, you can hike the Waimea Canyon, often referred to as the Grand Canyon of the Pacific. Its vibrant red and green hues create a mesmerizing landscape. Or explore the famous Napali coast. This rugged coastline is accessible only by boat, helicopter, or a challenging hike, making it a truly secluded spot. Next, we have Tioman Island, Malaysia. This island is a hidden gem in the South China Sea, offering a tranquil escape from the bustling cities. With its pristine beaches and crystal clear waters, Tioman is a diver's paradise. The island is surrounded by coral reefs teeming with marine life, making it an ideal spot for snorkeling and diving. Plus, it's budget-friendly compared to other popular islands. You can enjoy luxurious experiences without breaking the bank, from beachfront resorts to local seafood delicacies. On to Lark Island, Australia. This uninhabited gem in Tasmania is perfect for solitude and nature lovers. Imagine having an entire island to yourself, where you can reconnect with nature. This uninhabited gem in Tasmania is perfect for solitude and nature lovers. The island offers a raw and untouched beauty, with no luxury hotels here, just stunning beaches and a wild experience. No luxury hotels here, just stunning beaches and a wild experience. Fourth, Formentera, Spain. This island is a short boat ride from Ibiza, but feels worlds apart. Just an hour by boat from Ibiza, it offers tranquil beaches and a laid-back vibe, ideal for a peaceful escape from bustling Spanish cities. The island's clear waters and white sandy beaches are perfect for relaxation, ideal for a peaceful escape from bustling Spanish cities. Now, Marietta Island, Mexico. This island is famous for its hidden beach, a unique natural wonder. Home to the incredible hidden beach inside a cave. This secluded spot is accessible only by swimming through a tunnel, adding to its allure. Swim under a circular opening where sunlight streams in, creating a magical scene. Sixth, Komodo Island, Indonesia. This island is not just about its famous dragons. Famous for its giant Komodo dragons, it's also a diver's dream with stunning coral reefs and majestic manta rays. The island offers a unique blend of adventure and natural beauty. Finally, Ascension Island in the Atlantic. This remote island is a hidden treasure with its volcanic landscapes and rich history. Known for its volcanic landscapes and crystal clear waters, it's one of the most isolated islands. The island's unique terrain and clear waters make it a fascinating destination for explorers, with unique wildlife like giant sea turtles. These creatures are a sight to behold, adding to the island's charm. These were 7 hidden islands that could be your next travel destination. Each island offers a unique experience, from adventure and exploration to relaxation and solitude. Let me know in the comments which island you love the most. Share your thoughts and experiences if you visited any of these hidden gems. And don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more enchanting destinations around the world. Stay tuned for more travel inspiration. and hidden gems waiting to be discovered.